This avocado banana smoothie with you. Wow, you can't afford to miss this, right? Check out the video, watch the full video, share the video, like the video. Everyone needs this, your parents, your kids, everyone. Thank you. Video. Getting ready to prepare my smoothie. Simple but healthy smoothie. With me here is my coconut, my avocado, apple, pineapple, watermelon, and ginger. I'll be adding even chia seed and flaxseed. Watch to the end and see how to prepare your simple, healthy, fruity, in fact, everything healthy. Everything healthy. Healthy smoothie. Thank you. They're not gonna be adding sugar here. You know I detest sugar a lot. So join me and let's dive in. I added, the first thing I'm blending is my coconut. Look at me blending my coconut. I will blend this coconut and extract the water to get the milk. I will be making it with the milk. I don't want to make it with water, and I don't want to use yogurt because of the sugary yogurt we have around. So I'll be using everything healthy. Okay, keep watching. I am extracting the milk from the coconut. You see me extracting the milk from the coconut. I'm extracting it organically. Okay? Organically. Remember to eat healthy. This is the milk gotten from the coconut. So everything start going in, my banana, my watermelon. A lot of things are going in, guys. Okay, let me open my apple. Okay, adding my apple right now. Listen up, guys. Try to consume green apple. The reddish apple has a lot of sugar in it. That's why I go for the green. Everything goes into the blender. Okay, everything goes in. Okay, it's gonna be yummy. Remember, it is healthy lifestyle. My apple goes in. The next thing I'll be adding after the apple is gonna be my, what am I adding next here, guys? I'm adding my avocado after this apple. I'm adding my avocado. Please, if you're coming across my channel for the first time, you're highly welcome. My channel name remains Healthy Tips with Uloma, or Healthy Living with Uloma. I show you the healthy living, a way to live healthy, avoid cholesterol, avoid excessive sugar. Okay, this is my avocado. Wow. Healthy. What are you eating? If you're not eating avocado, tell me what you're eating, guys. Stop junk. Okay? So after this, the next thing I'm adding in here is gonna be my coconut milk. Watch me. I added thick coconut milk. Okay, that will be the, some people add yogurt to theirs, but I choose to add coconut milk. Okay, remember that what I'm using here, or what I use here rather, is my organic stuffs. Okay, I'm adding my ginger, Okay, ginger is very healthy for the body. It boosts immune system. It fights infection, fight diseases. A lot of numerous benefits. Remember that apple has a lot of fiber which is needed in the body. So right now everything goes in. Oh, this is salivating, guys. Everything goes in. Let's blend. I decided to add more avocado. Avocado is so healthy. Even babies need avocado. Everyone needs avocado. Your baby that is taking pap, you can blend avocado, add it to the pap you're giving your baby. Okay? So I'm adding more avocado to eat. Healthy living is sweet, guys. Healthy living is the best. Is the best, guys. Is the best. Healthy living. Okay, so I've added some more avocado. I'm adding my chia seed now. Chia seed helps you, it cleanses your system, it has antioxidants, it is fiber, and I'm gonna blend everything. That's my flaxseed I'm adding right now. I'm adding my flaxseed. Oh boy, this woman, you like healthy lifestyle. Oh, it gives me joy. Okay, at this point I said, okay, I need to add lemon because of the antioxidants it contains. It is very necessary I add it, but it's not a must do. I like the flavor, so I'm adding lemon, organic lemon. See the juice now, see now, organic lemon, not this artificial lemon. See, if you're still taking those lemon that has no seed, my dear, you're taking artificial. Look at it here, look at it here. Look at it. Squeezing in my lemon into my smoothie. Thank you for watching this video and keep watching. Keep liking, sharing, engaging. God bless you. So at this point, I'm blending everything. Remember that what I used in making this please do not smoothie is avocado. I love you all. Cucumber. Sorry, not cucumber. Keep watching. Avocado, banana, apple. Okay, I'm adding a little honey. Organic one, not the one that is mixed, guys. Be careful of the honey you take. Okay, you know honey has healing properties. Are you aware? Are you aware of that? It has healing properties. It has digestion. It has antioxidants. It has a lot, guys. It has a lot. I can't start mentioning everything here. Thank you for watching this video. Keep sharing this video, like and subscribe. Thank you and God bless you. Okay, let's enjoy it. Okay, you can do yours even with 1 or 2 fruits. It mustn't be all of this. Okay, you can do me. I'm adding many of them because I have some of them already in my kitchen. Okay, thank you. Remember to eat healthy, live healthy, and stay healthy. God bless you. Hit the subscription button, turn on notification bell, and share the video. Like it and engage. God bless you. Bye. This avocado banana smoothie with you. Wow, you can't afford to miss this, right? Check out the video, watch the video, share the video, like the video. Everyone needs this. Your parents, your kids, everyone. Thank you.